The MZK A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer is a powerhouse in the world of garment and craft printing, delivering professional-level output with unmatched ease and speed. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below at the latest price. Built with the reliable XP600 printhead, the MZK A3 Plus offers printing speeds up to twice as fast as older models like the L1800. You can print a full A3 size design in just 3 minutes, enabling up to 180 prints per day. That kind of speed and efficiency makes it perfect for growing businesses, print shops, or anyone needing high-volume, high-quality output. The 2800 by 1400 dpi resolution ensures your designs come out with vibrant colors, crisp lines, and professional-level detail on everything from t-shirts to leather bags. This model is also designed for ease of use and low maintenance. The 5-inch LED multifunction touchscreen allows for seamless operation, including real-time nozzle checks, layout adjustments, and cleaning routines, all directly from the interface. With a smart built-in automatic timed cleaning system and a 3-in-1 white ink circulation feature, the printer minimizes clogging issues and extends the life of the printhead. These features are supported by a high-performance motherboard that enhances stability while eliminating common errors found in older printer models. When you purchase the MZK A3 Plus XP600, you're not just getting a printer, you're getting a full professional setup. The package includes an A3 DTF oven, a 100-meter roll of DTF film, 5 250 milliliters bottles of ink, DTF powder, cleaning accessories, and a flash drive loaded with instructional videos. Even if you're new to DTF printing, the company provides lifetime technical support and remote assistance from trained engineers, ensuring a smooth start and continued reliability. To top it off, customers in the US enjoy an exceptional bonus, a free 2-year ink and powder supply with new sets shipped every 2 months for just the cost of shipping. The MZK A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer is a solid investment for anyone looking for speed, consistency, and quality in textile printing. It's engineered for performance and built for long-term value, making it a smart addition to any creative or business toolkit.